DJI Osmo Pocket 4K vlogging camera with dual AMOLED display 1.3 CMOS sensor, 3-axis gimbal stabilizer, AIE tracking, 512GB support, 160 minutes battery, best video camera for YouTubers and Instagram. Stunning 4K video quality. Capture every detail with the DJI Osmo Pocket 4K camera, featuring a 1.3 CMOS sensor and 140 degrees ultra-wide lens. Record in 4K at 60 FPS for lifelike clarity, making it the best video camera for YouTubers, bloggers, and travel enthusiasts. Dual AMOLED displays. This vlogging camera features a 1.5-inch touchscreen and a 0.42-inch subscreen for live monitoring and FPV shooting. The detachable design offers unmatched flexibility, making it the perfect pocket camera for photography and video shooting. Lightweight and portable design. Weighing just 159 g, this handy camera is ideal for travel and on-the-go vlogging. The magnetic modular build allows versatile mounting, which is perfect for pet videos, action sports, and outdoor adventures like skateboarding and parkour. Advanced shooting modes. Unlock creativity with panorama, time-lapse, hyperlapse, and slow-motion modes. Tailor your content to suit any scene, ensuring this 4K video camera becomes your go-to tool for YouTube, Instagram, and professional vlogging. Long battery life and storage. Record uninterrupted for up to 160 minutes with fast Type-C charging. With support for up to 512GB storage, this vlogging camera for YouTubers is perfect for creating travel blogs, YouTube videos, and high-quality social media content.